Pennsylvania had one of the most worst blizzards ever yesterday. Take a look around. Hi Brianna, how are you?
I'm good. How are you, Kayla?
I'm pretty good. So what have you been doing to keep yourself safe during this blizzard?
I've just been staying inside and keeping warm.
Okay, awesome. Thank you.
Yeah.